हेलो एवरीवन। आज की वीडियो में हम देखेंगे पंजाब यूनिवर्सिटी चंडीगढ़ का 3 ईयर कोर्स एलएलबी का क्वेश्चन पेपर 2022 का। तो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन से स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं। विच वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट अ थीम ऑफ द गवर्नमेंट इनिशिएटिव आज़ादी का अमृत महोत्सव। तो इसका ऑप्शन है, करेक्ट ऑप्शन है इसका ऑप्शन डी। सेकंड क्वेश्चन, मिथिला राज रिसेंटली बिकेम द फर्स्ट फीमेल क्रिकेटर टू विन विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग अवार्ड्स। तो इसका आंसर है, करेक्ट आंसर ए, मेजर ध्यानचंद खेल रत्न अवार्ड। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, विच इंस्टीट्यूशन रिलीज द रिपोर्ट टाइटल टोबैको पॉइजनिंग आवर प्लैनेट। तो इसका करेक्ट आंसर है वर्ल्ड हेल्थ ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, ऑप्शन सी। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, ऑपरेशन रक्त चंदन वॉज एसोसिएटेड विद विच इंस्टीट्यूशन। क्वेश्चन नंबर फोर्थ और इसका आंसर है डायरेक्टरेट ऑफ रेवेन्यू इंटेलिजेंस। क्वेश्चन नंबर फिफ्थ, विच इंडियन स्टेट इज द फर्स्ट टू कंडक्ट स्टेट वाइड लोक अदालत थ्रू वीडियो कॉन्फ्रेंसिंग। इसका सही आंसर है ऑप्शन नंबर बी, छत्तीसगढ़। आगे चलते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर सिक्स, वेयर इज द हेडक्वार्टर्स ऑफ यूनाइटेड नेशंस ऑफिस ऑन ड्रग्स एंड क्राइम्स। और इसका सही आंसर है ए, ऑस्ट्रिया। क्वेश्चन नंबर सेवन, विच यूनियन मिनिस्ट्री लॉन्च्ड इमरजेंसी क्रेडिट लाइन गारंटी स्कीम। और इसका सही आंसर है ऑप्शन नंबर ए, मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ फाइनेंस। What is the theme of World Environment Day 2020? Eighth question, and its option B is the correct answer. Only one earth. Question number 9. Ministry of Tourism launched a national strategy for sustainable tourism along with which organization? And the answer is UNEP, United Nations Environment Program. Question number 10. Which major tech company recently announced that it has planned to cut more than half of carbon emissions across its supply chain? और इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन ए, माइक्रोसॉफ्ट। आगे चलते हैं। How many time zones are there in the world? Question number 11, and the answer is C, 24. Question number 12, who became the first Indian woman to join International Olympic Committee? Question number 12, the answer is Neeta Ambani, option number B. As per the recent report of National Center of Polar and Ocean Research, which ocean has seen the greatest decline of ice in the last 41 years? Question number 13, the answer is A, Arctic Ocean. Question number 14, which species is to be insured by the National Insurance Company, NICL? And the answer is option number A, Himalayan yak. Which Indian company has partnered with Canada's largest payment organization, Payments Canada? Question number 15, answer is B, Tata Consultancy Services, TCS. Which institution has partnered with UNICEF India on Sustainable Development Goals, SDGs, with a focus on children? Question number 16, option is B, Niti Aayog. The legal entity identifier NEI code has how many characters in it? Question number 17, and it has 20 characters in it. Question number 17, the option is D. Which airport in India has decided to replace all vehicles with electric vehicles on the airside operations to cut greenhouse gas emissions? Question number 18, answer is D, Indira Gandhi International Airport. Question 19, India has decided to participate in which of the world's biggest maritime exercise hosted by US? And the answer is D, Rim of the Pacific, RIMPAC. Who is the youngest Kabaddi entrant in the Khelo India Youth Games? Question number 20, the answer is C, Itu Mandal. Who is the first Deputy Managing Director of International Monetary Fund? And the answer is C, Geeta Gopinath. Question number 22. Evacuation of Indian nationals from Ukraine amidst ongoing conflict was carried out under, and the answer is Operation Ganga, option A. Which is the longest bridge in India? Question number 23, and the correct answer is Dhola Sadia Bridge. Question number 24, National Tree of India. सबको पता है banyan tree. Question number 25, what is the international border between India and Pakistan known as? Question number 25, answer is A, Red Cliff Line. Question number 26, what is the smallest island country in the world? And the answer is option C. 27, other than spreading malaria, Anopheles mosquitoes are also the vectors of. Question 27, and the answer is filariasis. 28, which gland in the human body secretes insulin? 28, answer is C, pancreas. आगे चलते हैं। Question number 29, plants that grow in saline water are also known as halophytes. Which country abolished the prevalent corporal punishment of flogging, beating with whips? Question number 30, and the answer is Saudi Arabia. Night blindness is caused by lack of which vitamin? Vitamin A. Name the vaccine that is jointly developed by German company BioNTech and US Pharma Giant Pfizer for. And the answer is A, BNT162. Question number 33. As per World Bank's Doing Business Report 2020, out of 190 countries, India's rank is. Question 33, and the answer is 63. The Indian delegation to the first World Conference on Human Rights was led by Dr. Manmohan Singh. Which country topped the medals tally in the International Shooting Sport Federation World Cup 2022? Question 35, and the answer is India. Who wrote the book I Do What I Do? 36, and the answer is Raghuram Rajan. 37. When is the World International Justice Day celebrated? And it is 17th of July every year. Who was known as Iron Man of India? सबको पता है, सरदार वल्लभभाई पटेल. The southernmost point of peninsular India, that is Kanyakumari, is north of the equator. Which is the only country not named on its stamp? 40. Great Britain. Fundamental rights given in Part 3 of Constitution are the rights against the state action. What is the time limit for President to give assent or send back the bills? Question number 42, and the answer is option D, no time limit, and it is not applicable to the money bills. Question 43, who is the only Chief Justice of Supreme Court who has discharged the duties of the President of India? Question number 43, and it is Justice M. Hidayatullah Khan. Payments from the Consolidated Fund of India are authorized by, question number 44, Appropriation Act. Bombay High Court territorial jurisdiction does not extend to Lakshadweep. Question number 46, in which year was the combined railway budget and the general budget first presented during Modi government? Question number 46, and the answer is option B, 2017. Question number 47, the power to decide an election petition is vested with the High Courts. Question 48, free legal aid for an accused is a DPSP, Directive Principle of State Policy. 49, a previous judgment cited by court to decide on a similar set of facts is known as, question number 49, precedent. Question number 50, development of law of tort has taken through judicial decisions. The Supreme Court of India tenders legal advice to the President of India when the President seeks such advice. Article 143. Question number 52. What kind of questions are not asked during the question hour of parliamentary sitting? Question number 52, and the answer is C, emergent questions. All money received by or on behalf of the Government of India are credited to. Question number 53, and the answer is option B, the Consolidated Fund of India and the Public Account of India. Which of the following states does not have bicameral legislature? Question number 54, option C, Rajasthan. Question 55, which of the following amendments of the Constitution reduced the voting age from 21 to 18 years? And the answer is 61st Amendment, option number C. Question number 56, Lok Adalats have been created under Legal Services Authority Act, option B. Originally, Supreme Court consisted of a Chief Justice and 7 other judges. Who was the first woman advocate to be elevated as a judge of Supreme Court of India directly from the bar? Question number 58, and the option is Justice Indu Malhotra. Question 59, what is the highest number of sitting women judges in the Supreme Court ever? And the answer is option B, 4. Question number 60, how many times has financial emergency been declared in India so far? And the option is D, never. Financial emergency has never been declared in India so far. Question number 61, the original constitution was handwritten by, and the answer is Prem Bihari Narayan Raizada, option number C. Question 62, the Indian legislature was made bicameral for the first time by the Government of India Act 1919, option number C. The Supreme Court of India was set up by, question 63, and the answer is the Regulating Act 1773. In India, right to property is a, question number 64, legal right. पहले हमारा फंडामेंटल राइट था, बट अब चेंज हो चुका है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 65, साइन डाई इज एसोसिएटेड विद द पावर ऑफ स्पीकर. Question number 66, how long a person should have practiced in a high court to be eligible to be appointed as a judge of Supreme Court of India? Question 66, answer is B, 10 years. Who was the first Chief Justice of Supreme Court of India? Question 67, and the answer is H.J. Kanhaiya. Question 68, how many times a person can become President of India? And there is no limit to it. The option is option D. Till now, the preamble of Constitution of India has been amended for how many times? Question 69, B. 42nd Amendment में हमारा preamble वो हुआ था, amend. Question number 70, how many languages have been recognized by the Constitution? And there are 22 languages. 71, who is competent to prescribe conditions for acquiring Indian citizenship? And the option which is correct is option B, Parliament. Question number 72. The constitution names our country as option B, India, that is Bharat. Question 73. Right to constitutional remedies comes under 73, and the answer is A, fundamental rights. Question 74. Indian constitution recognizes minorities on the basis of religion. Question number 75. The prohibition of employment of children below 14 years have been provided under the Constitution of India as a question 75, and the answer is a fundamental right. Question 76. The violation of which of the given rights leads to an action in tort? Question 76, and the answer is C, rights in personam. Question 77. Choose the correct answer based on the following statements. And the answer is A. Both A and B are individually correct. All void contracts are not necessarily illegal, and all illegal contracts are void. The both statements are absolutely correct. Question number 78. A contract will still be valid contract if it is without adequate consideration, because consideration can be adequate or inadequate. Question number 79. Which of the following is both a tort as well as a crime? And it is option A, defamation. Question 80. The Indian Penal Code is a substantive law. We have substantive law and procedural law, and the IPC is a substantive law. Question number 81. And the correct answer is maternal uncle. Question 82. The correct answer is option number D, 90. ये रीजनिंग के क्वेश्चंस है, तो आप ऑब्वियसली इसको खुद सॉल्व करेंगे और अपने आंसर्स मैच करेंगे. Question number 83. The correct answer is option number D. 84, it's A, and 85, it's B. Question number 86. The correct answer is B. Question number 87. The answer is B. Question number 88. The correct answer is D, best direction. Question number 89. The answer is D, Gaurav. And question number 90. The correct answer is A, 60. Question number 91. Which word in English means both to join and to split? And the correct answer is cleave. 92. And the answer is, which is correct, is B. Question number 93. One who is bad at spelling is known as cacographer. Question number 94. And the correct answer is question number D, caput. Question number 95. What is the opposite of exotic? And the answer is native. Question number 96. Familiarity breeds, fill in the blanks, and the answer is B, contempt. Question number 97. Which of the following is not the synonym of oval? And the answer is D, angular. Question number 98. The answer is B. The question is, which of the following is not the odd one out? And the answer is never is a long time. 98, it's B. 99, a dramatic performance is mask. And 100, an athletic event in which each competitor takes part in 10 events is known as decathlon. I hope it's helped you. And अगर आपको कोई भी डाउट हो तो आप अपने डाउट्स कमेंट बॉक्स में ड्रॉप कर सकते हैं या कॉन्टैक्ट कर सकते हैं. थैंक यू सो मच.